Am I early? Yo, yo, yo. I think I'm super early. I think I'm super early. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Morena, how are we doing? I don't know why, but my Ethernet cord just stopped working. So, Ceatology? What's going on with me internet cord? Okay, my internet cord is not working. Great start. What is going on? Good morning, everybody. Hope everyone's well. No mai hooky mai. Welcome back. It is currently Monday. I forgot to restart the sub goal. One moment. How we doing? Hope yous are well and beautiful. I have been very good. I woke up very early this morning, so I feel good. I've always been like a morning person, I ain't gonna lie. Sorry, I forgot to restart that, so I do apologize. If I scuff it today, it is what it is. But also, I don't know if you saw the announcement from TwitchCon. So TwitchCon EU just finished, and they announced 3 trophies. And the way you get them is through watch hours. And the first one is 5 million watch hours, which is like your normal purple heart, bleed purple trophy. The second one is made out of marble, which is a 150. Oh jeez, oh Sergeant Suicide, morning, my bro.
I need you to oil this man right now.
Thank you very, very much for the 10 bomb, my bro. How are you, you beautiful person? And thank you very much for the 43 months, my bro. Holy crikey. Thank you very, very much, my bro. Just, appreciate the aroha always. I know you come in and try and pretend that you did nothing, but I appreciate everything you do, brother. Bro, you're at 640 total. What the hell? I made it a goal of mine too, no matter, whatever year it might take. Whoever gets to 1,000, I'm gonna get like their name tattooed somewhere on my body. Even if it's sexually active gorilla, I'll still get it. Thank you very much, Free and Plays, for the Optimus Prime. Kia ora, my bro. Kia ora, kia ora. Oh my goodness. Thank you very much to D-Nice. Denise, for the Optimus Prime as well. Naomi Hinui. I'm going to have to pump my numbers up. No, you're fine. Like, I'm gonna be here for a while, so no matter who it is. Like, we're good. So how was your morning? I got my kids' lunches done at like 5 o'clock. Had their clothes ready by 5:30. They woke up at 6:30. Had their breakfast ready by 7, and we were ready for school around 8:30. Yo, Rufus MC, thank you very much for the Optimus Prime too, my bro. We got a level 4 hype train. Holy cow. We haven't even started yet. So yeah, I definitely feel like I've won the morning for sure. But talking about these trophies that got revealed at TwitchCon. So there's 3 trophies that they announced at TwitchCon, kind of like YouTube, how YouTube does the plaques and everything. But it's all based around watch hours. So the first one is a bleed purple heart. It's like full purple, and that's at 5 million watch hours. Second one is at 150 million watch hours, which is made out of marble. And the top one, which is 250 million watch hours, is made out of chrome. It's a chrome heart. Now I'm going to say this. We are 100,000 watch hours away from the last heart. So we've already got 2 of them. Yeah. So we just copped the purple one and the one made out of marble. So yeah, we're about 100,000 watch hours away from the last one. Yeah. Someone can clip that too, so I can put it on the YouTube and the TikTok. Yeah, so I reached out to Twitch ANZ last night and asked if they could check my analytics, and they just said, bro, you've already got the first 2. You're like 100k away from 250. I'll probably get there when I'm like 40 or something. But yeah, that's freaking insane, man. I don't really plan on trying to farm hours. That's not how I do things. But yeah, we're halfway to the last one. I definitely want to make a wooden one too, so I can be that guy, and you know, I can have 4. Can I ask you something? Yeah, all good. So today, you can see our carving right there. I just want to do a little touch up here, and then we'll move down to the next one. So we're starting the next one today. Are we in for some snow soon? I'm not sure, maybe. I know next month me and my wife are going on a honeymoon down south, so there's gonna be some snow down there. Which reminds me, I need to take this off while I'm carving. I don't want... This is probably the second most precious thing to me in my life in terms of material stuff. First one being my ancestral adze blade that I use. Hang on. That's insane. Looks cold in NZ. Yeah, a little bit, see? A little bit. But I've got shorts on, so... I normally wear a coat and shorts because I got thunder thighs. Alrighty. So the legs are always warm. Hey man, hope all is well. Yeah, brother. Yeah. I uploaded a TikTok yesterday, someone trying to call me out, and I did a reply, but people were starting to be like toxic to him, so I removed it. What is a good way to kind of deal with depression? Because I've been feeling very down this week because I don't know what my purpose is and why I'm alive, so keep thinking, what is the point in me? What do you do in life? I think when it comes to that, like if you're feeling down, you need to find things that you enjoy in life, you know? You need to find things that you enjoy in life, first of all, and find methods to deal with your depression as well. Maybe look into the things that you enjoy doing. Doesn't matter how silly it can be, you know? At the end of the day, if it's gonna make you happy, I say do it. But also while you're doing that, you need to look into like methods and solutions that will help you through the day. Whether it be physical, whether it be creative. Like when I'm having a bad day, if my kids aren't around because they're the ones that bring me out of that rut, it's the gym. But at the same time, you know, you shouldn't necessarily think about what your purpose is when you could just live your life first. It will come to you. It never comes instantly. An apprenticeship working right now. What's your apprenticeship? That's actually huge doing an apprenticeship though. Especially with how much people aren't doing apprenticeships these days. Did I hear that right? Yeah, someone tried to call me out. Like, one of my videos I uploaded, just you know how I got this now, and why I have it, because of my grandmother who changed my mind, and I replied telling the story about why I'm trying to be more open about subs, and people were going to his account and flaming him, and I felt like I was responsible for that, so I took them down. You don't need to look for a purpose to aim for. That is a very good one, Stutters. So this is what we're doing. This is called a manaya. A manaya is a guardian, and also it takes the characteristics of a bird. So what we're going to do, so I'm just going to do a little bit of work up here, and then we'll swap it around and we'll do the other side. So that's the plans for today. We're going to start the next part of this piece today. But for now I just want to work a little bit in here. Okay, what am I looking for? I am looking for this. No? Oop. Put my Crocs in 4-wheel drive, see? But I feel like at the same time, brother, if you're struggling a bit, please come here and speak to us more. I really enjoy that you're doing that, because it shows that you're open to, you know, change. Random question, where you also... No, I wasn't in a rugby team or Lord of the Rings. Although I would have, if I was offered the opportunity to be in a Lord of the Rings movie, I'd definitely be keen, but I was like still young. Like even Peter Jackson, he even got like, when he was filming down south, he even asked tourists if they wanted to be like some of the urukai in Twin Towers. And I went, far, what a sick opportunity. He was just at a cafe, and he needed a few +1s, and these tourists got asked. And yeah, they ended up being in the movie. Does it ever happen to you when you're working on a piece that you step back and think, there was one chisel too many? Not really, Big Scotty. I haven't had that type of situation happen to me yet. I won't say it won't happen, but yeah, I'll say yet. Not yet, brother. Yeah, I know there'll be a lot of people that are hot right now around the world. Like top-notch quality ball bag stuck to leg for the bros. Happy little accidents, yeah. Just like Bob Ross says. I was watching some Bob Ross on the weekend too. Yeah, my favorite streamer, love you. Hey, much love too, man. Some days it's hot, some days it's raining. I prefer a cold day. I won't lie, I'm like a winter person. When I say that, usually people go, are you mentally okay? I'm like, yeah, I'm fine, I just like winter. What's up, Dark? What a sentence to hear as I open the stream. That should be a normal sentence for you here now. That's always my when it's hot reference. Love cold weather, but I also love swimming. True. Your work is incredible. Thank you very much, Big Scotty. That'd be cool to be in Lord of the Rings. I 100% agree, brother. I would have loved to have been in that film. I love Lord of the Rings, and I won't lie, I like The Hobbit too. I know a lot of people were anti The Hobbit. But, what's his name? Jane Ironfoot. Nah, he's the man when he rolls up on there. Kune Kune. Play your hands down. Aragorn. Team Aragorn all the way. This piece of pikorua, it's just a manaya piece, but I can see it does have a similarity to a pikorua. I'm gonna play this while I sleep. All good. Have a good sleep. Alright. Now. No. For me. Funny how Bob Ross running 24/7 at a restaurant. One of the TV, some people are like, who the fuck put sports people? First thing we have to do is get rid of all that. So all this excess. There you go. Okay. What are some of your favorite NZ shows, programs? I probably cannot get most of them in the United States, but I'm looking for a few things to watch. There's a movie that just got recently released called Ka Whawhai Tonu. I don't know if it's getting released globally. Could be. But I'll be honest, I watch more Twitch streams than TV. Go to college. Kind of worried because I have to go to college, which I'm kind of worried about because I didn't have a good time when I was in high school. Were you bullied in high school as well, brother? Hey, Sina Bush, thank you very, very much for the raid, good sir. I hope you're well. Welcome, welcome, welcome to the stream. I hope Sculpting was well this morning. NZ morning, I should say. But thank you very much for the raid, good sir. Much appreciated. One moment. So what we are currently working on is called a manaya. So you can see we've done one end already. The mouth, the head, the eye and the nose. And we're doing the second head down below here. So a manaya is a guardian in our culture, in the Maori culture. And this commission is actually one of my late uncles. So we're finishing it off for him. Cheerio, Thunder. Bro, how's about that robot though? Didn't get much help with anything when I was in high school, and I was taken out of it because I had much anxiety problems. Ooh, what are you playing though, Frankie? Did you ever like let your teachers know? I know how hard it can be to do that. Without a doubt. It's like a cartoon ice hockey game. Oh, okay. Dang gun. Oh, hold on, shit. Good. Let's try and smash this out. Thank you very much to Sino Bush once again for the raid. If you want a cozy raid for an artist chat, I highly recommend Sino Bush. Clay sculptor, by the way. Okay. Still got quite a ways to go down. Wondering if I just get the saw and that might help. Just to get a feel for it. How we doing, Cherry Lala? Hold on, check. One of these ones. There we go. Much better. So the reason why I'm cutting up is just to follow the grain. Basically, hey, kia ora Tahiti. Yorana, Yorana. Wonder if I can just. Nope, that's going against the grain. Would have been easier if we had a bloody bandsaw. But we always carry on. Seems like a tiki. Yeah, kind of. Yeah, it's called a manaya, this one. Similar to a tiki. So we're just doing the second one now. So this manaya has 2 heads because it's for 2 birthdays. That's the reason why. But yeah, today we're gonna be moulding this manaya. That is the goal today. To mould this one so we can carry on. So coming in here and saying no, James. I don't want you to ever come into the stream and apologize for expressing how you feel. The fact that you came into the stream and expressed how you feel was good. Just know to those other than James that are new here and are feeling any type of way, you're more than welcome to come and talk here. Like, this is a safe place to, you know, say how you're feeling. It has been for the last 4 years. And it will remain that way. So please don't ever feel sorry for speaking up. Because speaking up is, you know, the first step to, you know, becoming a better and stronger person. So thank you. I just want you and everyone else to know that too, even on YouTube. Hey, what's up, Kate? Here's some cool dude at Chip, brother. Yo, Normandy Revenge, thank you for the 7 months as a tier 3, brother. How are we doing today? We're doing very good, my bro. Although I would like a coffee this morning, but we ran out. But appreciate the tier 3, my bro. Just know that you can cancel that tier 3 at any time. Appreciate the Aroha, my bro. I know how expensive a tier 3 can be. Yo, Cape, have you got that duck? Oh, that Elden Ring badge on? Hope you're well. Yeah, I'm good, man. I'm good. Because I got that Elden Ring badge too. Yo, what up, Trim? What's up, Trim? Hey, thank you very much, Meg202 Meg, for the Optimus Prime, brother. Kia ora, my bro. Appreciate the aroha. I'm just checking over it real quick. You got most of it. There you go. What's up, Mickey? Do. What are you carving today? Just a manaya. Just doing a manaya today for a birthday. Just doing the second head. So make sure that's nice and flat. Yeah, something simple today, just starting the next head. It becomes something. I haven't done something this simple in a while, so it's a good rest from all the like technical stuff we've done. I've gotta start looking for some. I've got to start looking for some timber for these next few projects. I've got to do a popo. Got to do a popo next. Or I've got to draw it up actually. The only difference with this popo that I have to do, it's one of the Bros GTA characters. Or RP characters. Thank you very much to Baked Shaky for the Optimus Prime. Kia ora, my bro. Yeah, when I contacted Twitch ANZ yesterday to see what our total watch hours are, I was quite surprised that we've already qualified for 2 of those trophies, and it's a small margin too. So it's pretty buzzy that this little old stream has achieved that. You're a great craftsman and artist. Please keep sharing. Will do, my bro. Will do. What I'm gonna do after we finish this, we'll cut these out. around the neck and then the mouth there, but I'll probably get the router just to save time. I think one unhealthy thing that those trophies are going to start promoting though is a lot of watch hour farming from streamers, which I think is could be a little bit unhealthy in my opinion, because people, you know, have the want and need for those trophies. That'll be definitely something I think will be very concerning. In my opinion. Okay, I'm gonna have to turn it around.
You to oil this man right now.
Oh my golly gosh. Okay, how do I say this? Tavina, thank you very much for the 10 bomb, bro. Holy hiccup, much appreciated for the Aloha. If you did get a gifted sub, please give our bro or our sister thank you. Thank you very, very much for the Aloha. Can you show some of your finished work? Yep, let me just finish molding this and I'll get back to you. It's got a gifted thank you. Hey, very good, very good. Thank you for saying thank you. It's like a big thing for me. As long as you say thank you for your gifted sub, I appreciate that a hell of a lot too. Such a nice, cool day today, man. Oh gosh. Yo, thank you very much, is that Joe? Joe, for the biddies. Thank you very much for the Aloha, man. Thick cream. Thank you for the Optimus Prime. Thick cream. Damn, that's an original character's name too. Keep it going, bro. God Damn. We got thick cream, the original in the chat, guys. Alrighty. Blursy, by the way, thank you very much for the raid. Alright, there we go. The shape has been shaped. Let me just take some of that down. There's some excess timber in there. There we go. What's up, Endless? Okay, chat. Now when I do this, just know that I'll probably put myself and the timber far away so I don't dust out everything. There you go. So we are gonna cut that out. And cut that out. There you go. What kind of wood are you working with today? Rimu, brother. Rimu. R-I-M-U is the name of this timber. It's an okay timber. I haven't carved much of it myself, but you know, it's holding together. It's holding together, brother. Oh yeah. Okay. It's like a pretty tight grain, yeah, like a cat's bum, my bro. Like a cat's bum. Okay, what I'm gonna do is take my headset that I appreciate so much from Corsair, by the way, inside, and I'll put some earplugs on. Y'all know the go, chat. So what I normally do... Oh, we got a raid. Hey, T-Monster. What's up, good sir? I haven't forgotten my promise to you. And I will still... I'm still keen to do a piece for your wife. Kia ora, T-Monster. Hope you're well, bro. Oh, sir? Sorry. I'm just... I'm getting ready to use some machines, so I'll probably mute soon. So I met T-Monster at TwitchCon, guys, when I did Food Wars. We'll chat with wife about that. Yeah, all good. Just tell her to email me if there's anything in particular from Whakairo she wants, or just a slice of home. Much love from California. Knows how to party. What's up, man? Alright, guys. Peep the Crocs. I gotta get mine. I have always carved in work boots, but I know, you know, these aren't very health and safety. No steel cap, but let's be honest, I'm a grown ass man that knows how to stay safe. Nick Minute cuts leg off. Or it can be something between me and you, T, where you can surprise your wife if you want. If you want to surprise your wife. So if you must know, check the TwitchCon, T-Monster's wife is probably an auntie all the way from here. She was supporting me. I swear, man, when it came to the toilet pushing, I got set up pretty bad, eh? Because the way the lady sat on the toilet, I was like, bro, you're right in my face and I feel bad. I wear sandals in my workshop. Good man. Oh, good, James. You make sure you come back tomorrow, eh? Follow my gaming channel too, not Brox, if you want to talk more during other times too. Okay. No saws. That's supposed to be a no saw. Either way, that's pretty clever, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, I wish I was coming back to San Diego, but it's my honeymoon next month, so I probably won't be coming to San Diego in September, just cost wise. And it's my birthday on the 23rd. Alright. I'm sorry I have to do this to you guys. I've got to mute yous. I know, you don't like being muted. But it's either here, yank, 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 or save your ears. Yeah, you make sure you keep coming back, James, please. Hey, that's a cool emote, ain't it? Oh, and Wolf? Oh, this is Jesse Cox emote. Bro, I gotta say, man, Jesse has some of the cleanest emotes, bro. I'll be back with you shortly. I'll be back before anyone outside of the country can say the longest Maori word in the world. Okay, BRB. Thank you, Gus. Sorry, I'm almost done, guys. Thank you very, very much. There we go, donkey. Brother Sturdy. Thank you very much, my bro, for the 46 months as a tier 3. Thank you very, very much, my bro. Remember, as a tier 3, feel free to cancel that at any time, my brother. And thank you very much to brother Gus before you with the Optimus Prime as well. That's that done, chat. So you just help speed the process up a little bit, if you will, so we don't have to fart ass around with digging and whatnot. Although I don't mind digging with the chisels now and again. must say, what made this go by a bit faster is listening to Blast. Alright. Now we can carry on. Although I'm wondering if we should go deeper. Worry about it another day. Yeah. Oh, give it. Oh. Progress. Hey. Feel bad I haven't been around. Sheesh. Shut up. You already know. You're lucky I'm not in front of you. I twist your damn titty. Nipple twist. Stop being silly. Gengar socks. They're my wife's sock. All my socks have holes in them. The audacity of this man. Hold on now. Hey, what's up, B-boy? Gengar's my favorite Pokemon. Nice. There's a party on the weekend. So poor Tan's head kicky was deadly as. What a broken toe as well. Alright, so what we have to do now, what we're going to do, we are going to slightly drop some of the face here, but I might be that guy again and get the planer. Hello from Oz. Hey, how you going, neighbor? I should be going live on TikTok right now, but I've got my Bluetooth headset on and my phone's playing some music, and we've got some lo-fi happening on here, so I think we're good. Oh, Colibris, thank you very much for all the legs, 11 months, my bro. Good night from Europe, good morning in New Zealand. Hey, what's up, my guy? Thank you very much for the aloha once again. Oh, almost 1 year. Shit. I'm applying for university on the South Island, so fingers crossed, fingers and toes. Good luck. So yeah, what we're gonna do, or what I'm gonna do is we'll plane all of that. Yeah, I'm gonna plane all of that off. Sorry, I'm picking my nose. I think I got a good one. Oh yeah. Oh, there's a keeper. If you're a male, you'd understand. Oh, yep, that one was a doozy, boys. Okay, where's my pencil? Anyone know what I did with my pencil, chat? Hold on, I might have left it inside. I can't lie, Blast and Anderson .Paak, that song, Dance with the Devil, is such a vibey song, man. It's such a vibey song. Alright, that's how much we're gonna take off. I'm gonna use a planer chat just to save time. I don't know why. I've been feeling like that since this morning. I woke up with a fuck ton of gratitude this morning. A metric fuck ton. And I'm feeling good. I'm feeling good. Feeling blessed. And I hope everyone, you know, feels good too. Straight up. Oh yeah. Sorry, chat, I gotta mute you beautiful souls again. Cowboy Tactica, he's ready. Oh man, Jesse has such cool emotes. Fiero backwards, thank you for the Optimus Prime. Thank you very much, Fiero. We have officially blown the back of out of our daily sub goal today. Thank you and appreciate you guys, man. How am I gonna do this though? Sure, Harry. How you, Harry? Every time I listen to an Anderson Peck song, though, I always picture that troll he voice instead of him. Yeah. Muting myself. Alright, there we go. I'm back. Aroha mai. Love from Italy. Hey, appreciate the Fiero. Italia. Nā mihi nui ki a koe. Viewing your channel, make it up. Oh, good, Harry. All good. I haven't really activated Super Chat at all on YouTube, so if you are wondering how to do that, yeah, I still don't know either. Alright, here we go. So I'll just redraw this. Redraw all of this, and then we'll start molding. So it definitely definitely helps save time in my opinion. I saw a hydrate in there too, so I'll put the camera on me and we'll have a bit of an inu, and then we'll get into it. Cheers. Oh. Feels good, man. Feels good, man. Woo. Woo. How we doing? How we doing before we slide back down? How we doing? So time 10:52. This all we had. Some Magic Panda. Kia ora. Chat. I'll have to drink to that. Glad to see you doing good. Cheers, my bro. Yeah. Oh, I woke up this morning feeling good. I woke up at 5 o'clock. I'm definitely a morning person. Definitely a morning person, I would say. And I don't know, when I have a good morning, I feel extra good. If that makes sense. What am I doing? I forgot what this face looked like. Hold on. I'm pretty nervous to do the subathon, eh? Straight up. Just because I haven't done one in a while. Why don't, it's not like I frequently do them. And I just snapped me pencil. Bloody thing. But we're making a lot of progress as it is today, guys. Koira te mea nui. Also, once again, it is the Maori New Year, Matariki. And I hope everyone is well. Pencils, I've lost, bro, I tell you, bro, I feel like I've lost thousands. Where's the next hair flip? When my hair grows. I've been trying to regrow my hair for the last 2 years. Well, to speed it up, all I really have to do is just cut the ends, but CBF. Might get my wife to cut them today. Grande hermano. Ooh, what does that mean? I think he's saying hello. What's up, Stuart? I really want a coffee, eh? I really want a coffee, man. Too far. So these are the trophies that Twitch announced. And we're getting the first two, guys. 5 million watch hours. Only 3,150 people qualify for it. Or 5 million watch hours. 50 million watch hours. Only 285 people qualified. 250 mil watch hours. Only 25 people are qualified to get the Chrome trophy. But we got 2 of them. And to one up everyone, I'm gonna carve me one too. That's the plan. We carve another one so we can have 4 of them. Yeah, I say we'll carve one too, just so we can be that guy. When people say, "Oh, I got like," when they say, "Oh, yeah, we got like I got all 3," I'm like, "Huh, I've got 4." No. Just imagine only having 3. No, those ones. Actually, they've been rock good, brother. It started at 5 o'clock in the morning. I feel freaking amazing. Next minute, tired by 3 o'clock. When's the best time of the year to go? Probably summer or winter, one of the two. Well, it depends, eh? Hold on, chat. Were you thinking of storing it? Well, this, no, this is just all the carvings I do stay inside. When I finish with them, I just put them inside. There we go. I just had to make sure I had the I remembered what the face looked like before I shaved it off. But there it is, chat. What else do we need to do? No, this is pretty much it. So where we're gonna start, we're gonna start here. We'll cut here, and as we normally design these faces, first cut goes along the top of the eye, around the nose, and top of the mouth. go. Those are the main cuts. Eye, nose, and the top of the mouth. So those are kind of like our focal points, if that makes sense. I'm near Detroit. Oh, yeah. So those are the main cuts that we're going to do first, is here. Above the eye, nose, and above the mouth. Easy, let's go. Alrighty. Let's try and get this done, chat. Hell yeah, brother. Let's go. So you can see those cuts that we're doing. This one, and then above the eye. And we work our way from there pretty much. There's so much to see nature-wise, definitely. I'd love to visit the Netherlands. Bro, some of the views, eh? I would say a lot of the countries within Europe, especially like for me, bro, when it comes to nature, I get a hard on from the mountain ranges, I'm not gonna lie, and the sea. I get a nature hard on from that. You're very good with the hammer, just on point with the curves. Thanks, man. Yeah, so we're just doing all I'm doing is the main cuts before we get into the nitty-gritty of it all. So there's a lot of points where I can start, really. We can start here on the mouth, we can start on the eye, Normally, ideally, where I like to start is the top on the head. There we go, there's our main cuts done. So as I mentioned, I like to start at the top, the mahunga, the head. So that's where we're going to start. Whenever, no matter. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Hello there, Gary. How are you, good sir? Check cut. My life, hey. Yeah, that's always been me, brother. Always. I'm not a master carver yet. One day. It's not a title I'm like pursuing either. It's a title that's given by your tribe. What am I looking for? The soft timber, how do we know what type of wood? It's Rimu, native. It's a raisin Google. Yeah, so Rimu is somewhat of a soft timber. The softest timber we have in our country is called Tōtara. Similar to their cousin tree, the Californian red pine. That's the cream of the crop, that tree. Ki te piringa, ki runga. Alright. Kia ora, ai Roman Zip, tēnā koe. Next up, I. Yeah, I use whetstone, or sometimes I just use a grinder, wheel grind. I haven't purchased one, mainly because I don't have a shed. I literally carve outside. That's something I'm saving up for as a house. So when the day comes and we can, stream within something with 4 walls, basically, then I would be open to doing like late night carving streams as well. Like it will open up a lot more options in terms of like time zones as well, because that's the biggest raid boss I feel, is these damn time zones. So that's definitely something I'll probably look into straight away. But yeah, for now we keep grinding, we keep saving, and then hopefully one day, we can hopefully one day we can yeah, get a house. But yeah, for now we keep grinding, But when yeah, when we get that house with that shed, chat, whoo, I'm down for some late night carving streams, because it means everyone from those time zones get to see it alive. Because obviously, you know, I can't carve for big hours, big hours during the day. I mean, I can, but you know, I have the responsibility of being a parent too. Where's our green going? This way. Ooh, okay. No. We're going up, okay. Ooh, nothing to have. Right. How we doing, shit? Sorry, when I zone in, I just forget about existence altogether. Man goes full find the board mode. Yo, Sturdy, thank you very much for the 5 bomb, my bro. Thank you very much, my brother. I appreciate the aroha. Thank you very much, my bro. If you did get a gifted sub from the brother Sturdy, please give him a thank you. Thank you, my bro. get these levels down. Look at those eyelashes. Alright. Yo, YouTube, if I sing a song, would I get copyrighted for that? Hey, the bro's playing for Green Bay now. That's Green Bay. Is that Green Bay? Bring your love around. You possibly is. And you know my darkest day. There we go. Do you sell these pieces? I do. I do commissions as well. I don't have a shop. I don't really want to have a shop either. I feel like a robot, eh? I'd rather genuinely, make a connection with the person that wants a piece and do it in front of them. It's like I'm doing now. That's kind of how I've been doing it for the last 4 years. Yo, thank you very much to Me Wheels for the Optimus Prime. Kia ora, Me Wheels. Thank you very much, Me Wheels. Oh. Yo, Skid, thank you very much for gifting someone a sub too, man. Thank you very much, guys. Hope you have all been enjoying the stream today too, on a Sunday or Monday. Currently Monday for me. How's the weather there? Nice and drizzly today. Nice and rainy today. Watching you do your coloring, man. Gotta go back to doing some editing. All good, man. Do your editing, man. I need to do that too. Emil, all is well, man. I'm just glad we're getting a lot of progress done. How hard is learning a skill like wood carving? It's only as hard as you make it feel like. Nothing's hard in life, just give it a go. It's only hard because you think it's hard. It's not hard at all, unless you try, yeah. We love momentum. Oh, bro, I've been on a momentum vibe for the last couple weeks. And I'm just going with it, man. I'm feeling a bloody kebab today. Woo! No, save money, save money. Have a porridge, have a porridge. Save money, save money. Kia ora ki te kaupapa. O whaau I hosi no. Ya done no. Oh my golly gosh. Thank you very much to the Idiot Archive for the raid. I appreciate you. Hi Brox, just going to let you know that I had I set up on my racing career. I just got that I will be reserve driver for Rocket Formula 4 team, so that promise of me flying you out my cousin sooner than expected. TB, first of all, I told you from day one, man. I told you from day one that I believe in you. But first of all, congratulations, man. That's great news to hear. That's awesome to hear, man. Congratulations. Yeah, everyone on the momentum today, absolutely love to hear it, man. I love hearing people succeed outside the stream, man. They're tuning. I appreciate you telling me that, bro. That's fucking amazing. Got you tabbed up. All good, all good. Do your thing, do your thing. Hello, everyone from the raid. Kia ora, kia ora, kia ora. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Did you hit your finger often when you started? No, no. Nah, not once. Some old, yeah, no harm in trying something, man. That's the first step, eh? Just trying. The thing that stops us from trying new things is ourselves. Don't know whether our community support. Hey, and you, bro. You putting in the hard yards. And your work ethic as well. Good on you. Good on you, bro. Hey girl, ofa au I hosi no. Is that done? So we're just setting everything for now. That's the main thing that we're gonna do. Thinking of getting my ring finger tattooed, eh? Something just when I'm not wearing my ring, because it feels weird not wearing my ring now. Who messaged my wife real quick? Hey, who's your fella's kaitiaki on your side? Sorry, what's your fella's kaitiaki on your side? Is it a Mongol party? Sorry, just asking my wife, what's their guardian on their side? Where are we? You only carve with a chisel, or you also know how to carve with a knife? Nah, just chisels and adze. Hope you're doing alright. Alright? Yeah, sanity. All is well, my bro. All is well. I'm just, feels good that we're conquering Monday. Feels good, man. Feels good. Shit, I still gotta go look for a bloody winter coat too for the honeymoon. Not gonna go North Face because I heard North Face jackets are pure ass. Don't even keep you warm. Before we go down south for my honeymoon. I'm looking forward to having a honeymoon or rest. Me and my wife don't really treat ourselves that much. Iho pulato, hey girl, ofa iho sino. Yo, Sea Fish, thank you very much for the Optimus Prime, my brother. Holy shit, Tucky. Appreciate the honor today, guys. It's been caning it. I think it was big drop day today, so a lot of people would have lost their subs. Can someone push exclamation mark subs? I think, yeah, I think this time last month was oil type of day, so a lot of people would have lost their gifties. What we do here, so we've set some levels now, you can sort of see it starting to come to shape. So the brow will be much deeper than this. The eye might go down a bit more too, but for now we'll leave it as is. Then we come to the tooth. Put that down. Yeah, it was big drop day last month, yeah. But thank you very much for the aroha as well, guys. So what we're gonna do now, everything's kinda like set. Let's just drop this mouth down too. Flow into the body. Hey girl, ofa au iho sino. Hey. I don't wanna come on. Fuck, I'm on the vibe, champ. What type of wood is good to start off with? Try something soft, Jackie boy. Definitely something soft that may be in your part of the world. I would 100% recommend that. Mikey Pumo, thank you very much for the Optimus Prime as well, brother. Thank you very much, good sir. Yeah, I definitely recommend something soft from your part of the world. Definitely. Hey girl. Autobots roll out. Grimlock will always be my favorite. Nothing more badass than a big ass dinosaur, in my opinion. Big ass goddamn dinosaur. Bumblebee all the way? Oh yeah. Soundwave was hotness. Yeah, he was pretty badass, eh? I just always liked Grimlock just because he was a dinosaur. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh no. The mini cons were so. Oh yeah, bro, that series back in the day was cool, eh? The mini cons. That's throwing it back, bro. That was a bloody hot minute ago, eh? A hot minute ago, brother. Alright, let's start moulding this head. So we're doing light mould things today, chat. We're not full moulding, just light moulding. You know how you fully just fart in the comfort of your own home, and then when you're around people, you like clench the cheeks to let it out bit by bit? That's what we're doing today. Bit by bit. That's the go today, okay? Alright. Let's go. Hey girl. Hey hothead, what's up, my brother? Boys clipping today. Which reminds me, I've got to start my my payback arc on one of Moga's old mates that shot at Junior and Chip and Ellie. My brother. Should carve Grimlock one day. Oh, bro, that's a headache and a half for me. I normally just stick to Whakairo. You can't let this slide. No, I can't. Character-wise, I can't let it slide either. But Carver knows a lot about the target, so knows a lot about, you know, Rue. So I just have to play it carefully. I'm going for maximum spice, because I'm a spice fiend like anyone else. There's one thing you do not mess with when it comes to my character, is family and someone, you know, and the people he has loyalty to. And that's pretty much like one of them, the Junior, and the other one was Zolo. Other one was Chip, and other one was, oh no, I don't think Marcel's been shot at, or he doesn't know. And Kotipo G. But yeah, I'll try and go for maximum spice. But I think fear tactics is what we go for first. On RP. Talking about a game chat, not IRL. I'm a teddy bear IRL. Please don't. I think outside of Junior, the people he considers family is Mateo, but he doesn't log in there much. Mateo and Paris and Zolo. Ika pulato. Hey girl. Alright. Fuck, we got no milk for a bloody coffee. Hang on, shit. Hey, cheering key. Be here, my bro. Yo, Dave. Thank you very much for the Optimus Prime, brother Dave. Appreciate the aroha, brother Dave. Kia ora, kia ora. No mai tauti mai, my bro. Kia ora, NK. Kei te pre hea koe. Alright. That was down to 2 racks. All good, my bro. Have a good one, eh? Oi. We all start at the bottom, working our way to the top. I know that you can't see me, nothing's gonna make me stop. We all start at the bottom, working our way to the top. I know that you can't see me.
were stealing local cars and then exchanging them for maps. I got introduced to Flippy and Vinny, man, I was gassed. I was paying off my loans, I was making loads of cash. Batar, Moses and Dean, man, them days were the best.
Wicked got me signed to Moonshine and then he fucking left.
But I stayed to make a difference, I ain't got any regrets. Made a mill from making tracks, money printer in the flesh. Mario picked
Me up and told me all about the mess.
Had me cooking in the lab, doing weed runs and all the rest. Little hustle with Batar, started exchanging connects. Bro, we had some mini pillows, could've started selling beds. Nearly got caught in the lab, that shit was such a mess. Then we had to buy tables, and that shit had no effect. That dream got put to bed, like fuck it, what's next?
Go on, but I need another song to say the rest. Working our way to the top. I know that you can't see me. Hopefully Chippy Lala's around so I can buy this A90 on April. Finally have a good car, my character will. And he's gonna be broke AF after that.
Turn it back on and sing or get smacked in the chin. You know me and my fans gonna win. Cause slamming on the hood honestly should have been slammed to the bin. You ain't slick Rick, season 3. Get yourself in a pickle, fam. I keep the Grim Reaper in business cause I'm the middleman. We got XC side, Rust and BSK linking up. I'm confused, ain't that the meaning of Skittles, man? Thought you were in control, you missed the decoy. Looks like somebody set you up to get you destroyed. Said the Mandem's a light version of CG. The company's a light version of the Clean Boys. I gotta do what the company says, aka can't do shit without Ray.
See, we're coming together now.
Use your accent so you can understand what I say. Cause you talking about our accent is lame, bro.
There you go.
All it does is tell me how much you don't know your history. We're the ones that should be laughing when you talk like
So we're starting to get this eye getting a bit of a shape now.
You ain't a gang but rap gangster, so which one? You weren't saying shit when CG came for them
Yeah.
guns. You ain't down to bang your companies, just a pack of nuns. Photo SK in the street, but on the wax you run your gums. I don't wanna hear no click clack or no talk up in your diss tracks, cause they had your boys kidnapped and you didn't want your things back and you didn't get no get backs. I heard you got arrested. I'm
Two
like,
different Manaya faces.
that's tricky, sounding real snitchy.
Imagine wearing this here.
When you cool, busy. This ain't walking apart when I ride this ain't Disney, but the news is universal when company lose Mickey. Cream pie's the worst song. I know you meant well. You took it too far when somebody told you that sex sells. You lost first to SK and now you're gonna lose a second. Oh shit, trigger the PTSD of Denzel. I won multiple awards for being cold. Lifetime achievement. You just won awards for being old. If you're so good, how come you couldn't win it on your own? Greatest rapper, but you had to share with Hubcap Jones. Straight ignore SK like you done it how this shit goes. It's 2024. Wake up, you ain't big bro. You said Wu Chang was full up of whack artists, but I've seen you ain't got more listeners than the bimbos. Blamed Wu Chang and told everyone.
That's awesome. Thank you. Thank you.
You was out to destroy us. So imagine how I lost when I found out you was trying to cave for 30 minutes and then you fucking joined us. They held you up.
You want to know something? You want an unlock on something? I don't clean up with a broom. I clean up with a piece of wood.
One time I got robbed by the BBMC. All they took was 2K and had to pay me 20 G's. We didn't go to war, all I did was write a tweet. And they're far from pussies, it's cause I got respect. That's why
I've got a scraper piece of wood chip and I've been using that.
How many times a flippy roll you over without no regrets? Listen, I think you're good, but you don't know what this is. Your diss tracks are mismatched cause your diss tracks miss. Half a diss track mentioning all the stuff that you did would have been quicker to take out a rib and suck your own dick. I know your history, pussy. I always thought you was a neat attention seeking whore for clout. That's why you always fucking tweet. Ballers kicked you out the sack and only gave you one street. How you call yourself a king when you can only rule a street? Yeah, I bet you thought back then I weren't around, forgetting I rode with Mando mellow when I first came around. Backstabbing, wanna be meth having. We see the cycle when you in mad patterns, you narcissistic clown. I got more to say, bro. This could take a while. All you're gonna do
How we doing, Chad? How we doing?
you ain't competing with me, boy. You're competing.
Got a lot done today.
Say my name, you ain't Destiny's Child.
Got a lot done today. And it feels good too. It feels good. Jolofia, thank you very much for the Optimus Prime. 46 out of 30 on the daily sub goal.
Cops had to retreat, bro.
You guys are absolutely amazing and I appreciate you, man. Thank you.
Shout out to my boy Randy. I do rap with Chloe like candy. So they bring this to me, might come handy.
Thank you very much, guys.
Nah, Mario, man. Bro, just let me do my shit.
Whatever, man. You wanna get club, huh? You know what I'm saying?
I'm sorry. Listen.
Right.
Vinny, tell him.
Watch your fucking mouth.
Tell that bitch that I'm changa. Tell that bitch that I'm changa. Tell that bitch that I'm changa. Tell that bitch that I'm changa.
Woo!
Know what it is when you see me. Chain on my neck says CG.
Hey, is it Sully and James over on YouTube?
You know gangs got whips on whip. G-Wagon or Vinny's black 6x6. If I'm in the booth and the feds when a pit phone hut.
I should really take pictures of my work here. That'll probably help. Crazy to me that somewhere in the world it's cold enough to have a heavy coat and a beanie and so hot. I got shorts on and Crocs too. Different sides of the world. You could fry an egg on the sidewalk. I really want to try that this summer. It gets hot here in the summer and I definitely want to try that. I'd even do a TikTok about it, I think. Touch that chain, you'll be dead by the morning. Man, how cold is it? It's not like extremely cold, but the reason why, like, you know, coat up is because I can't afford to get sick, eh? Especially when I'm carving outside is the main thing on my channel that I do. Would you do custom wood art for money? My channel will only ever be Whakairo. Yeah, Whakairo. But in saying that too, we have one of the carvings that I'll be doing. One moment. I'll get a photo of it real quick. Now my next challenge that I have to draw up is someone's GTA character. So one of the bros who plays RP, he recently perma'd his character. If you don't know what that means, it's like he perma-killed him basically. He perma-killed his character. And he asked if I could do like a carving of him. But he said within Whakairo style, and I was like, oh yeah. So it kind of made it easier for me if I am gonna do it. Nah, like I'm probably gonna do it because, you know, I think I just enjoy, you know, pleasing people. If that makes sense. Does that make sense? I have no idea. Making people happy, I guess. It's a very good feeling in my eyes. I don't know if that's like the right words to use, but yeah, I'm not very good with words, so I'll just say that. So this is who the character that I could possibly be carving. I know a bit about his character already, but it shouldn't be hard to convert into a Whakairo piece. So this is the bro's character right here. There's a lot of like references I could use within Whakairo. And he was always pictured with a crow on the side, and obviously a manaya is a bird, so I can do that. But yeah, that's the bro's character there. TJ Walker was his character in RP, and that's most likely something that I'm gonna try and attempt. Not really big on doing carving human faces, but yeah, I'll carve his face. And the Whakairo form anyway.
It's not what I wanted, it's all that I needed. This one's different, I can hear my phone. Can hear my phone, your body got me in the zone. Take it slow,
Alright.
wanna get you all alone. Infatuation led to lust and led to love and led to us.
So what do flying bison? Oh yeah. I normally just stick to Whakairo. Yeah, I'm not really sure how cold it is here.
I'm obsessed to the point of anxiety. Oh, every time you're near, I can hear my phone. Who's that calling? You see me falling.
I can hear my phone.
Not what I wanted.
Oh, Hutch has gone to bed.
This one's different, I can hear
My phone.
This one's different. I think I'm falling, cause I can hear my phone. I can hear my phone.
Alright, man, that chain together game looks funny, bro.
You make me breathless, I can't explain. It makes me go insane.
That chain together game looks absolutely funny. I've been seeing a lot of people playing it too. I think it would be better to play it with a group of people than, you know, by yourself. So I think I'd definitely be keen to give it a go with some people. Alright. Well, chat, YouTube. I think that is going to be us today. I'm going to call time on stream today. I hope you all had a good day. Hope you all enjoyed it as well. But for now, yeah, I'm going to love and leave you. So let's see who's on, eh? Any suggestions? I'm going to check out the makers and crafting section as well. Gosh, where is it? Hope you all enjoyed the stream today, guys. Much love, man. I'm just seeing who's on. Contains sexual themes. Let's skip that one. Contains sexual scenes. Oh, let's skip that one too. Well, someone's pushing for partner. Let's raid them. You's keen if we raid someone that's pushing for partner? Is all good if we Let me keep checking. There's quite a lot of good artists on. A lot of Lego people. A lot of Lego people. Wait, this guy's making Power Ranger helmets. Oh, he just finished. I'm fully just gonna scroll past, you know, the sexual themed makers and crafters. Hi guys, I do apologize, I'm about to finish up for the day. But I hope to all those that enjoyed the stream, much appreciated. Sorry, I'm skipping the... I'm trying to figure out who to raid, guys. Who can we raid? Who can we raid? There's so many options on my follow list. I can't decide, chat. Might just finish up and just go and have lunch. Alright, I apologise. I'm gonna go and have lunch. I can't find someone to raid. So for now, you all have a beautiful afternoon, beautiful morning, beautiful night, beautiful midnight snack, beautiful early morning snack as well. I will see you all tomorrow for more Whakairo. If you're following the gaming channel, it's not Brox. Who knows, we might do some RP build up on there. Have a good one. Love yous all. Bye bye.